YouTubers.
It is us.
Again. And yeah, we're doing another one again because we haven't recorded in about 2 months. So
Yeah.
we'll make another thing. So we're using different characters. Not last time, like we chose Snake, we chose Fox,
Rob, and Meta.
Yeah. So now we're going to pick these characters. Link is Connor, Kirby is me, and then I can gamble. We're still against all each other. It's free for all.
Richard Alden.
We'll pick.
Richard Alden.
What is that?
No, sided. No, other way. No, left. Down.
Battlefield.
Rob. There. Link stage. That's why I want to do it. And that's my favorite stage.
Hey, let's do this. But I don't think I'm gonna do that well. I think Snake is my best character. Kirby is
No,
not.
he is ranked third best.
Yeah.
I don't Meta Knight.
I think Snake is. Then Meta Knight. I just want to be Kirby for the fun of it. Oh yeah, we picked Meta Knight last time also, so I couldn't do it. Got it.
Oh no, where's the cookie?
Yep. Come in, cut my food. Oh, I have to be near you. That sucks.
Oh no,
That was Ganondorf.
He's really strong.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that well. I'm doing okay. But it's gonna get worse.
Oh, ice is good. Haha, hello, Frankie.
Are you serious? You're gonna pay for that. You're gonna pay with my hammer. That's what. You're also gonna pay. Get out of here.
Using the C-stick, what is wrong with me? I'm not using the snap.
Die.
No, not Rocky.
Die. And go away.
I'm not gonna mention it.
Boom.
Oh no, you
I killed you. Boom.
stinker! Oh, seriously!
You killed yourself.
No, it's next time I'm gonna be someone who can fly. Next time I'll guys
Okay.
Nick's not being DDD. Get out of Rocky. Bull.
Cooking time.
Oh no. No, not cooking time.
Bye bye.
No, not cooking time.
Hello.
No, not Rocky time.
Hello. Bye bye.
Oh, seriously?
Time to go, Connor. Let's start this video, I guess. Connor to go. Wait, what? I just broke my Rocky. How dare you?
No, Ganondorf.
Oh, shit.
Bad thingy.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, his special move's amazing. I've seen it anyway.
Now die. Never mind. Forget what I just said.
He said now die.
Just forget it. Now die, Ganondorf.
Now die! Boom! Again, Ganondorf. Meteor Smash! No,
Ganondorf!
Ganondorf again. No, Ganondorf. No.
Out. Sorry. Ganondorf has saved you. I was going down to pull my Rocky on you, like to smash you, and then Ganondorf just pushed you away, and then Ganondorf got hit by it. That's cool. I better save my Rocky. Wait, what? You broke through it! Please get. Now die, people!
Rocky is just good now. It's stuff like arrows.
Boom!
See, has arrows.
Die!
Nose. Yes, I'm not on the thing for cooking time.
Bye-bye.
Frank, thanks.
You're not in the menu today.
Thanks, Frankie. You just got me a kill on that.
You're welcome.
Whoopah! Eat toast, Ganondorf. Actually, toast is nice, so eat worms, Ganondorf. No, not cooking time.
Bye-bye, Link. Bye-bye, Ganondorf.
That ball is going to destroy everything. Hey, I destroyed
Thank you.
Bomb.
Bye-bye.
I've forgotten to use my bomb.
You're kind of cool. Boom! See you later, Ganondorf.
See ya, smash
Potato.
Hello. Oh, I'm just grabbing you and hitting you non-stop. Ooh, ooh.
Time, boys.
Daddy made a mess.
See ya. There goes Ganondorf as well. I wonder who's going to win this. This might be close.
I'm doing a lot better than last time. Think might be my character. What? How did I get
I know. And I'm out. Ganondorf survived?
Ha. He's a powerhouse. Gimme. No!
Oh, I just killed Ganondorf when he had it.
That was my special move.
Got it.
Not cooking time. No.
See ya.
No.
Bye bye.
Bam.
Of course, I hit you to that side. I killed Ganondorf.
Bam. Special move dodge. Bam. Kill dodge. Instead of bam shock dodge. Get it.
Ganondorf power. No. That's going to be close, YouTubers. Oh. Second game.
Second Jordan.
Holy.
Oh, I got -1. No, I got -2 code.
Yeah, same way. I got to
I
6
KO'd
total.
you twice.
Yeah, I KO'd you 4 times. Haha.
My total damage taken was 1,230%.
Damage
1,274%.
Damage taken 716.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh,
So that's all for today, YouTubers. Connor is to go home, so we're gonna upload 2 videos. So bye bye.
See you next Saturday. Probably.